Good morning everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm driving from Malahide to Dublin Airport and the time is almost 9 a.m. in the morning. Today is 13th of Jan 2025. Temperature is about 11 degrees. I'm driving a beautiful S-Class and I will share my driving experience with you guys. Aer Lingus flight is about to land, if you can see. Heated seats on. The traffic is not bad at this time, which is a plus. The drive is nice and comfy, very luxury. No bumps, no noise from outside, nothing. Nice and quiet, like a first class Emirates cabin on the road. Cloudy sky, maybe a raining later on. At the moment temperature is 10.5 degrees, if you guys can see it here on the screen. We are on Swords Road at the moment. These lights are very slow. No strong winds today, which is good. Apple Green is on the right hand side. They have Marks and Spencer's food, which is good, and their coffee is very nice. If you have a chance to try, highly recommended. The fuel average on the car, which is not very great. This car is no good for fuel average, so we don't need to look at on that side. So we are on Malahide Road roundabout. The Pavilion shopping center is over there. Very busy place. I don't think so it should be busy at this time of the day. I have few options to drive this car, like comfort, economy one, eco mode, sports mode. I always drive in comfy mode. How the steering wheel looks like. So you guys can hear any noise in the car. R132 is the road name. The bus lane is on the left. 7 to 7 Monday to Saturday. You are not allowed to use it, only for public transport. McDonald's is on the left hand side. Airside Retail Park on the left. These traffic lights are very slow as well. Very busy traffic junction. Finally it's green. People are waiting for the bus. Best of luck to them.